Hello all, welcome to Surjith Varma YouTube channel.
In this channel, I want to teach some topics related to competitive exams. Example, reasoning, arithmetic, quantitative aptitude, current affairs, English, general knowledge, some important topics related to chemistry and intermediate chemistry. So, all I want is your support. And without any late, let's get into the topic. Today I want to teach blood relations, which is a topic from reasoning. Yeah, if we take any competitive exams like bank exams, SSC, and in bank exams like IBPS, RRP, and SBI exams, without this topic from reasoning, there is no question paper. So this topic is that much important and also very simple topic, very easiest topic. So let's see. Yeah, types of questions asked in this topic. There are three types of questions asked in this particular topic. Those three types are, first one is conversations. This is the type in which a conversation will be given. For example, if I am the person, I am showing you and I am saying you are my mother of, brother of, sister of, cousin of, etc. relations, and at last I will ask to another person, that is how I am related to you or how you related to me. These are the type of questions comes under conversations. And the second one is data-based questions. Data-based questions are the questions in which a particular data will be given. For example, A is related to B and B is related to C with some relation and C is related to D with some relation, and what is the relation between A and D, or what is the relation between B and D. These are the questions that will be asked in the particular type data-based questions, and these type of questions are very important. And the last type is relations with mathematical symbols. In this particular topic, a symbol will be given in between the persons. For example, these mathematical symbols are assigned with some relations. Example, A is related with B with the symbol multiplication. That means if we take this as A is brother of B, B is sister of C, C is son of D. And they will ask what is the relation between A and D, or else they will also ask with establishing these relations with, these mathematical relations with another alphabets or any other people, and ask how he is related with F. These are type of questions comes under relations with mathematical symbols. Yeah, we know the types of questions. Now we want to know is what are the relations that are asked. So I classify types of relations into 5 stages. Those are stage 1 grandparents, stage 2 parents and in-laws, stage 3 siblings and cousins, stage 4 children, stage 5 grandchildren. And what are the sub relations comes under these stages. Let's see the sub relations in the stages mentioned earlier. These are the sub relations. While coming to the stage 1, that is of grandparents, the sub relations or the relations present in grandparents are grandfather, grandmother, granduncle and grand aunt. Grandfather may be mother's father, that is comes under maternal relation, and the father's father, that is paternal relation. Similarly, grandmother, that comes under mother's mother or father's mother. And granduncle, granduncle means brothers of grandfather or grandmother. That means your grandfather's brother is your granduncle, or your grandmother's brother is your granduncle. And while coming to grand aunt, similarly sister of grandfather or grandmother, that is your grandfather's sister or your grandmother's sister is grand aunt. And stage 2 parents and in-laws. Yeah, here the first one is father, your father, mother, and third one is uncle, fourth one is aunt. Uncle means brother of father or mother, your father's brother or your mother's brother, that is uncle. Aunt, that is sister of father or brother, that means your father's sister or your mother's sister. And the fifth one is father-in-law, that means your wife's father, or if you're lady then your husband's father. And mother-in-law, that means your wife's mother or your husband's mother. And these comes under parents and in-laws. And while coming to stage 3, siblings, in-laws and spouse. Siblings means your brother, your sister and cousin. Children of aunt or uncle. These are cousins are children of aunt or uncle. Your aunt's children or your uncle's children are cousins to you. Now coming to stage 4, this is of children. That means son, daughter, nephew. Nephew means son of brother or sister. Niece, daughter of brother or sister. That means your brother's daughter or your sister's daughter. Nephew means your brother's son or sister's son. Son-in-law means your daughter's husband. Daughter-in-law means your son's wife. And stage 5 is grandchildren. That means your grandson and your granddaughter. Grandson means it may be your son's son or your daughter's son. Granddaughter means it may be your daughter's daughter or your son's daughter. Now some important notations I will give, which will be very important while solving the problems. Male should be represented as positive, female should be represented as negative, and some relations are married couple should be represented by into symbol. That means, for example, A into B. That means A into B means A is the wife of B. That is, if A is wife, then B is husband, then those both are couple. And siblings, that means if siblings means brothers, sister, cousins, they are of equal generation. That means it will be represented as A equal to B. That means A and B both are siblings, either maybe brothers, sisters or cousins. And next one, that is mother or father to next generation. That means, for example, A is mother of B. That means if B is son of A, then it should be represented as like this. B is son of A, or it can be represented as like this. Yeah, these are the notations and some important symbols, and I have mentioned some important types, relations, notations, and the main thing is, the important note is never fix gender based on the name. Never fix the gender while doing the problems based on the name. This is about the theory of blood relations, and in next video we'll do some problems based on the types I have given. And the main thing is, the same matter will be available in Telugu language in my other YouTube channel, that is Educator Varma. The link will be given in the description. And that's it about the video. And if you have any queries, or if you want to say the videos that can be done in the next coming videos, you can mention in comments and encourage me, like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.
It's caught in the crossfire.